Alright, so you want to use the bandsaw. The first thing you have to do is make sure it's been set up properly. You're going to have to take the guard, you're going to have to loosen this handle at the back, raise it up, put your piece of wood under, lower it down so it's about 1/4 to 1/8 higher than your piece of wood, tighten this handle. Check to make sure that both of these set screws are nice and tight and that your bandsaw blade is gently resting up against this bearing and in between these two blocks. Once that's done, you're ready to cut. In this case, we're going to cut a nice gentle curve out of this 2x4. So I'm going to place this on, put my glasses on, turn on the dust collector, start the machine. This is my scrap piece, it's no good. Notice that the line is still remaining on my good piece. Now here, this is going to be my good piece. This will be my scrap piece. These are very tight corners, so I'm going to use relief cuts. I'm going to cut in like this and out like this, and then when I cut this off, all of these pieces will fall off. Now you're ready to file this to the line and then sand it.